Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take nascent iodine. To begin, always start with a very small amount, like just 1 drop, to see how your body reacts. A typical starting point is 1 to 3 drops each day, and you can slowly increase this over time if necessary. Remember, 1 drop often provides about 400 micrograms of iodine, so it's potent. Listen to your body and adjust accordingly for optimal results. When it's time to take your nascent iodine, simply add the recommended number of drops to a small glass of purified water or juice. For the best absorption, it's generally advised to consume it on an empty stomach. This means taking it at least 20 minutes before you plan to eat, or waiting about 1 hour after you've finished a meal. This helps your body utilize it effectively. Before you begin taking nascent iodine, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Proper storage is also key. Keep your iodine in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to maintain its potency. Most importantly, pay close attention to how your body feels and stop use if you notice any adverse reactions. Nascent iodine is often taken to support healthy thyroid function, which is vital for your body's overall metabolic processes. To truly experience its potential benefits, consistent daily intake is absolutely crucial. Many people who use it regularly report feeling increased energy levels and even an improvement in their cognitive function. Make it a part of your routine for the best outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.